Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beyond Dentistry. I'm Dr. Akanksha Gupta is here with new video on the topic of tooth numbering system. This is the most common topic but student forget too soon. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. Tooth numbering system. Tooth numbering system are many systems are there, but we frequently read are first one is universal system, Palmer Zygmoid system and FDI system. I will explain each and every system. So first let's get started with the universal system. Now, universal system. So in universal system we name every tooth differently. So there is deciduous teeth and deciduous dentition and permanent dentition. So first get started with deciduous dentition. In this we divide it at two sides, that is right side, that is left side. This is a middle line or of our body. ठीक है. Uh, now second is upper arch and lower arch. This line, horizontal line, divide into the upper arch and lower arch. Now we named each quadrant is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now in first quadrant we start from this side, A, B, C, D, E. Now started with more so on, so on, so on, and we end this T. Okay. Now we named according to right side to left side to lower arch, left side to right side. Okay. Now in this, where A, this A, it stands for deciduous maxillary right side second molar. Second molar because it's the end, last tooth. Okay. B is for deciduous maxillary right first molar. C is deciduous maxillary right canine. uh, D is deciduous maxillary right lateral incisor, and this is deciduous maxillary right central incisor. Now we come into the second F, that is left side. Now it's changed from deciduous maxillary left central incisor, that is deciduous maxillary left lateral incisor, that is deciduous maxillary left canine, deciduous maxillary left first molar, that is second molar. Now its K stand for deciduous mandibular left second molar, because the mandibular, because this is goes in the mandibular and this is left side, so we named it deciduous mandibular left second molar, that is deciduous mandibular left first molar, that is mandibular left canine, mandibular left lateral incisor, mandibular left central incisor. Now we go P, mandibular right central incisor, that is mandibular right lateral incisor, that is mandibular right canine, and S stand for mandibular right first molar, and that is mandibular right second molar. Okay. Now we describe each and every tooth had its own name. Now permanent dentition. In permanent dentition again is divided into right side and left side. Now this is maxillary arch and this is mandibular arch. Now again we divided first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay. Now in the deciduous dentition we named according to the alphabet. Now in the permanent dentition we named according to the number. So we have 32 teeth. So each have its own number, like this. So first is stand for permanent maxillary right third molar, because it is right maxillary third molar. Okay, that is permanent maxillary right second molar, that is a maxillary right first molar, permanent maxillary right second molar, that is first molar. We go on so on, canine lateral incisor central incisor, we go so on, that is this is permanent maxillary left side central incisor, that is lateral incisor, canine, premolar, first premolar, second premolar, that is 1 4 is stand for uh, permanent first molar, left side first molar, second molar, third molar, that is going there so on, third molar, second molar, first molar, can I premolar, first second premolar, first premolar, canine, lateral incisor, central incisor, and go on, so on, so on. Now in this we write it according to from right side to left side to mandibular arch, and left side to right side. Now that is we have Palmer sigmoid system. In this it is not used in theoretical, while FDI is used in speaking. Okay, we use in theoretical, but FDI is used for speaking. So again it's divided two half, that is deciduous teeth and permanent teeth. So this midline is divided into two half, that is maxillary and right side. This one is right side and this one is left side. So this is maxillary arch and that is mandibular arch. Now again alphabet is for deciduous teeth, so this A. So if we talk about right side maxillary, we have mentioned like this A. Sorry, I don't have a marker, so just imagine this pointer is goes like this is A. This is for left side, right side. Okay, this is for right side and this is for left side. Now this is for mandibular mandibular left side and this is for mandibular right side. Okay, this goes like this, then this is for maxillary right side, this is maxillary left side, this is mandibular left side and this is mandibular right side. So each tooth had of its own name, that is A is central incisor, B is lateral incisor, C canine, D is first molar and E is second molar, because in this premolar are absent, as we all know. Now permanent dentation. What permanent dentation is, in which we divide upon again maxillary arch and that is mandibular arch. Now we divided again first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now in this we write as 1 2 3 4 as I told you that alphabet is used for deciduous and number is used for permanent dentation. So something like this. Again this is same side, each as I explained in deciduous teeth, that is this is for right side maxillary right side, this is for maxillary left side, this is for mandibular left side and this is for mandibular right side. Okay, so each tooth have its own number, just like this. Central incisor, 1 is stand for central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, premolar, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar and third molar, and so on, so on, so on. Okay, this is as I told you, this is right side and this is left side. Now FDI system, again different number, again we have different number, deciduous canine and permanent, deciduous dentition and permanent dentition. So now I am discusses permanent dentition. In permanent dentition we have to name each quadrant as 1 2 3 4. Each quadrant had its own number. Like in this quadrant we have 1 is remains same, but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is a number. Okay, tooth number. So 1 stand for permanent maxillary right central incisor, 1 2 is for permanent maxillary right lateral incisor, 1 3 is permanent maxillary canine, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar, third molar. Okay, so this is for second. 2 is stand for permanent maxillary left central incisor, 2 1, and third is for third quadrant. The third quadrant as in mandibular left arch, and 4 is for mandibular right arch. Okay, so each tooth had its own number, while in deciduous dentition we named as 5 6 7 8. Okay, 5 is stand for arch, that is maxillary right side arch, 6 is stand for maxillary left side arch, 7 is stand for mandibular left side arch, 8 stand for mandibular left incisor left arch. Okay, right arch, sorry. So this is like each tooth had its own number like this. 5-1 is stand for deciduous maxillary right central. 6-1 is deciduous maxillary left central incisor. Then this is mandibular left central incisor. Now 8-1 is mandibular right central incisor. So each tooth had its own number. Okay, now so we here we end our tooth numbering system. So here we have some questions. Let's solve this. So as per universal notation system, deciduous maxillary left central incisor is noted as. I'll explain all questions. You have to answer in the comment box. Now second, as per universal notation system, permanent maxillary right second molar is noted as. As per universal notation system, permanent mandibular left first molar left first premolar is noted as. As per FDI notation, 4-5 in which tooth? As per FDI notation, permanent maxillary right third molar as. And as per FDI notation, deciduous mandibular left canine as. Let me know in the comment box. So here we end our topic. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.